please.
They got like a little bit of a balcony. It's a...
Yes.
Ah. Yo, what's up with it, guys? We're gonna go over and see our homeboy Shell's place, the apartment we set him up with. He's our first Albania service customer, and we hooked him up with a dope apartment in the same neighborhood as us. I'll show you where you are at the moment, guys. This is the Italian consulate across the street. So we are pretty close to the US consulate. The US consulate is just on the other side of, like, maybe about a street or so over there, past those buildings. This area is pretty nice, guys, and we got him a really decent deal. He's paying like 450 euros for a 3-bedroom, I think 2 bath, 3 balcony, but we're gonna go check it out together. And just to give you an example again of the neighborhood where we both are living, because we're both living more or less in the same area.
This is the TV studio right here. And on the right is the coin center. It's like an expensive shopping mall.
And there's a lot of corporate offices and buildings and like a big rooftop restaurant and cafe. And the kind of weird building up ahead on the right is the Air Albania Stadium. So yeah, we're staying in one of the nicest neighborhoods, and we hooked him up with probably even nicer than what we have. You guys will have to check it out. We're gonna go walk over there and we'll show you his apartment, and you know, we'll get his opinion on what he thinks of the place, and so far if he's happy with the place we set him up with. And I'm excited because I actually haven't seen it yet.
Money, money. It's the money, it's the money, it's the money, yeah. It's the money, it's the money, it's the money, yeah. It's the money. Money.
All right, guys, this is 450 euros in the same neighborhood that we live in. So they've got like the little couch going on. All right, the seats look comfortable. Is it a smart TV? Oh, well, that's an advantage. Here's a balcony. They got like a little bit of a balcony. It's a smart TV, so that's nice. It's got the veranda down. It's just raining, guys, at the moment, but what do you think, man? You like this place or what?
The US consulate.
Oh, he's like, yeah, he's same neighborhood as us. You can see that yellow building kind of in the distance is it's a little bit behind a tree, but that's the US consulate. So we're definitely paying a bit of a premium for the neighborhood, but this is a nice little space. Let's check out the kitchen first or the bathroom. Let's see the bathroom. Oh, right on. Okay. Oh yeah, this is a nice little bathroom. Is this just one bathroom or two?
Two.
Two, okay. Let's see. Let's check out the kitchen. Oh, hey.
Hello.
You're famous. Okay. It's a decent kitchen. Should we go through this way? Is there more?
Yeah.
All right. Let's see. Okay, is that one of the bedrooms?
Yes.
Oh, guys, nice. And a bedroom has a balcony off of it?
Yes.
So this is another advantage here, guys. A couple extra balconies. Here he's got a little bit of a view of the stadium. Again, nice little balcony. Nothing too crazy, but pretty cool. Where are you leading us?
Bathroom.
All right, I guess this is another bathroom. Oh yeah, here we go. Okay, boom, boom. Is it a tub? Yeah, it's a tub. So a tub, guys. So 450 euros. This is a very good deal for that, I think.
Second bedroom.
Second bedroom. And this is nice if you were gonna have like some.
Also opens to the balcony here.
And he's got another balcony. Is that what, 3 balconies?
Yes.
Yeah, that's the thing I found here that sometimes is common. You actually find apartments that'll have 2 or even 3 balconies. And if you go out towards the student city, I've seen like 3 or 4 balconies even. So this is a 3 balcony, what, 3 bed?
Yes. 2 bathrooms.
2 bathrooms. And our Albanian contacts got him this for 450 euros. We got an office, right?
This way.
Okay, this way. And then a bedroom. Again.
So this is the 3rd bedroom, or in our case, the office.
Okay, so here we have an office. Again, he's using a bedroom as an office. You guys can do the same, up to you. We can probably have beds taken out for you if you want to have the space used for something else. Like this, for example.
And this is the balcony, the same balcony.
Same balcony, and this is again the one that faces towards Elbasani Street and the consulate. And he's got a little laundry rack. So I think this is cool for 450. What are you liking it?
Yeah, we're loving it. It's cozy.
And you guys were happy, like they're having everything set up before you arrived?
Oh, yeah, we had furniture, dishes, everything, nice TV.
Had the internet working for you?
Yeah.
And it splits
High
the other half
speed
of the
too.
house.
We're able to both run
So-
because we're both digital nomads. We're able to both do our work online, no problem, no glitches.
This is a nice little living area. So what do you think, Misha? I like it, all right?
Awesome. Yeah. Really nice space.
So guys, if you're thinking about coming out here, reach out to the illustrious, delicious Prophet, and I'll help you get on your feet in Albania. We'll get you set up with an apartment.
Brush your teeth.
Yeah, brush your teeth. We're gonna get you fixed up right. You don't have to worry about a thing. What do you think of when you think of Albania? I think of opportunity. I think of a country that's open. I think of a country that wants long stay expats, that wants people to come and invest, wants new ideas, and is looking towards the West. I think that Albania is a beautiful country with incredible landscapes that can offer a very comfortable lifestyle at a very reasonable price. We will help navigate your journey to becoming an expat in Albania. We're working with some of the top lawyers. We can help establish businesses. We can help you get your residency. We can help you get real estate. We can arrange almost any contact that you might need for the process of moving here in almost any city in the country. We will simplify the process. We'll make it a lot easier for you to move to a country that maybe in the past would have been more of a challenge. With our help, it's going to be a walk in the park.
Brush your face and wash your teeth, son.
Hey, what's up? I'm D from Canada. Hook up with the New York Nomad if you want a smooth ride into Vietnam or any Southeast Asian countries.
Hey, my name is Aaron. Get in contact with the New York Nomads. If you want to get into Vietnam, hit them up. They'll get you in securely and professionally.
Yo, this is Uncle Hollywood. I'm telling you right now, the New York Nomad got me a job. He's legit. Hit him up. Check him out.
New York Nomad set me up in Vietnam.
Yo, my man got me a job. Come to Vietnam.
Hey, what's up, guys? You thinking about coming to Vietnam? You're not sure where to start. You've heard a lot of things online. You don't know what's true. You don't know what's not. We offer a consulting service where we help you get on your feet in Vietnam. We give you advice on negotiating contracts with employers. We help you with real estate agents, visa agents that are reliable and that you can trust. We help you get started in this amazing country and get on your feet. We help you get into different opportunities that might be more difficult for you if you were just landing in the country on your own. And we help you avoid a lot of the pitfalls and problems that you could have as a newcomer here. We provide you with reliable job recruiters, visa agents, real estate agents, and advice. If you guys are thinking about coming to Vietnam, hit us up for a consultation. We'll help you get started, help you get on your feet, and hopefully you'll love Vietnam as much as we do.